myself Muskan, and today in this session we are going to take a grammar lecture. The topic is adjective. Adjective is the third chapter from your Grammarland textbook. So what is adjective? Adjective is a word which tells us more about noun. मीन्स वो हमको नाउन के बारे में हमको और बताता है और उसकी जानकारी देता है. मीन्स इट एड मोर मीनिंग टू द नाउन. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, big, good, bad, much, less. Big, I am having a big ball. Rahul is a good boy. Bad, I am having a friend which is very bad. Means we are describing the quality, and it also describes the quantity also. I have eaten much rice in afternoon. I am having less water in my bottle. And many more like this thing. Adjective describes quality and quantity both. And today in this session we are going to learn about adjectives and degrees of adjectives. So let's get started.
What is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes noun. जो वो words जो noun को describe करते हैं, means वो noun के बारे में हमें और चीज़ें बताते हैं. That word we call as adjective. Now, what is noun? Noun क्या होता है? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. यहाँ कोई भी idea. We all know what are the types of noun. Now, like person, if I am taking a name of a person over there, and place, name of a place, but whatever may be, it may be city or it may be particular place. Thing and idea. Like in noun, right now I'm taking as a person, I am taking Sachin. So if I am telling something about him, like Sachin is a good person, or Sachin is the best cricketer, or Sachin is very clever, means what I said, I have described him. So means this word became adjective. Place. If there is a place and I am telling that it is very beautiful place, like in this I have taken Taj Mahal. So Taj Mahal is very beautiful place. It is very old. It is made up of white marble. Means what these things are doing, these words are doing. These words are telling more about Taj Mahal. Next is thing. Ball. I am having a colorful ball. मेरे पास ball है, पर कैसा ball है? Colorful. It is having 6 colors. It is very big. These things describe the ball. That ball कैसा है? Idea. I am having a great idea. Idea. If we are talking about an idea, then it becomes a noun. Great. I am having a scary idea. Funny idea. These words describe that what type of idea we are having. These all words are used as adjective because they have told us more about the noun. Now you all know that noun and pronoun are same. Pronoun is just the replacement of noun. If we are if we are talking about a girl, if I am taking a name of a girl also, if I am taking Rita, Rita is very good girl. So instead of Rita, when I am using she is very intelligent also. That means what I did, instead of using Rita in every sentence, I have took pronoun. Means the pronoun is just replacement of a noun. We every time in sentence we can't keep repeating the same name. So in first we are taking name, and afterwards when the same name is coming in the sentence, we are using pronoun instead of that noun. So means adjectives are the words that describe noun and pronouns, because pronouns are also the same thing. Pronouns are also the replacement of noun. Let's see it in examples. Ram is a tall boy. Now here I am describing Ram. Ram here is a noun. And what I am telling about noun? Oh, Ram tall. My Ram is a tall boy. This is a small ball. Means what I have told about ball. I am having a ball, but what ball? How ball is? Ball is small. Shreya has 5 chocolates. Now here it is described in numbers. Shreya is having 5 chocolates. Chocolates कितने हैं श्रेया के पास? 5. Means it tells us more about noun. So these tall, small and 5 are adjectives. Now we are having degree of adjectives. The degree of adjectives, there are 3 main degrees of adjectives. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Now you must be thinking that what is the use of making degree of adjective, where we can use that. We use positive, we use degree. हम degree क्यों use करते हैं? To compare two things. Why things are to be compared? Whenever we use in a sentence that Ram, ये Ram इससे ज़्यादा अच्छा है या Ram पूरी क्लास में ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So here what we have to use? We have to use the degree of adjective. We are definitely telling the quality, but we have to use as a degree. Means कि कौन सी डिग्री पर वो हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं to show that. First is positive degree. Now positive degree we don't use for comparison. We just use a simple statement. मैं जहाँ पर जब simple statement की बात चल रही है means we are just describing a person or a thing. So that degree becomes, that is a positive degree. Whereas in comparative degree we used to compare two things. यहाँ पर हम दो चीज़ों के बीच में compare करते हैं. Now in superlative degree we used to compare more than two things. Superlative degree में हम जो more than two things, even many things के बीच में वहाँ पे comparison होता है. Let's see it in an example. Now in Ram is a tall boy. Means यहाँ पर हमने क्या बोला? Ram is a tall boy. Means just we are not doing any comparison. Means हमने उसको किसी के साथ मैच नहीं किया. हम एक सिंपल सा स्टेटमेंट बोल रहे हैं ये बताने के लिए कि Ram is a tall boy. So this is a positive degree. Now whereas when I am comparing like two things or two persons' height, Sham is taller than Ram. Means what I am doing over here? I am comparing Sham's height with Ram and I am using taller. That's why I have used taller than Ram. So taller here becomes an comparative degree because we have compared between two things. Whereas Devesh is tallest among all. Now here we are comparing more than two things. Means हम सबके लिए बोल रहे हैं देवेश सब में से tallest है. That's why we have used here a superlative degree because we are comparing. So Devesh is the tallest among, that tallest here becomes a superlative degree. So let's again move to the chart and see. Tall is a positive degree, taller is comparative degree, and whereas tallest is a superlative degree. Now let's see that how we can convert positive degree to comparative or superlative degree. We can change positive degree into comparative or superlative degree by adding ER or EST in at the end of the sentence. If we added ER at the end of the sentence, the degree becomes comparative degree, and if we are adding EST at the end of the sentence, so the degree becomes superlative degree. Let's see it in example. Bright. So comparative we have added ER and it becomes brighter, whereas in superlative we have added EST and it becomes brightest. Cold, colder, coldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Means what we have done, we have added ER at the end of the comparative degree and EST to make them superlative degree. Whereas there are various methods also. by adding only r, we can also change the degree or positive degree to comparative degree, and by adding st, we can change positive degree to superlative degree. Like in example, you are seeing fine, finer, finest. Means fine, we have added only r at the end and we have made it as comparative degree, and finest, we have added only st at the end and we have made it a superlative degree. Wise, wiser, wisest. White, whiter, whitest. Means we have added only we have added only r at the end of the word and we have made it as comparative degree, and we have added st and we have made it a superlative degree. There are some adjectives which we can't change by using er or est at the end. So these type of adjectives are called irregular adjectives. Like if I am using good as a positive degree, so in comparative we can't use gooder and goodest. So in comparative it becomes better, and in superlative it becomes best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Means these are irregular adjectives. That's why you have to memorize these types of adjectives. Means यहाँ पर हम उनकी end में we just can't use er or we just can't use est to change them. We have to completely change these type of adjectives to change the degree. So just we have to memorize it. Now that's all in this session. Now let's firstly revise what we have learned in this video. First, we have learned words that describe noun or pronoun. Means we have learned adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe more about noun. Means वो हमको noun के बारे में और चीज़ें बताते हैं. Later we have seen the degrees of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So that's all in this video. Just revise the topic and just keep studying. Thank you.